This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include adaptive cruise control, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, a rear spoiler, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.